It's starting to snow really bad, Kenny. Hurry. What's going on? Somebody's pouring snow on me. I know this is Elsa. This is what she does when she's mad at me. She keeps pouring snow. Tell her to stop and bring back summer. Barcelona already has enough problems. Take that. Blue snow, purple snow. Send it all to Barcelona. Purple snow. Tell her to stop, Kenny. You're the sweet fairy. I don't have power to stop this madness. Oh, yeah. Dump Kenny with some snow. Santiago, your girlfriend's crazy. I know. I'm so sorry. I don't know why she'd do this. This is not cool. Ugh. She won't bring back summer until Santiago says sorry. Sorry for what? Telling her how I feel? You two have got to stop this.